crucifixemos ese mano.
Brother Green, on behalf of your Lighthouse family, we do appreciate all that you're doing here for us.
Amen.
You have lent your time to us freely. You never asked for pay, but we know the Lord will continue to bless you as He's blessing you. And we will thank Him for giving you to us and to give you another year. And we do wish to have many, many more years with you. So on behalf of Lighthouse family, I do present this token to you, and God bless you.
Amen. Praise the name of the Lord.